Did you know that the difference in your vehicle policy can potentially save you money and be the determining factor in whether or not you can legally use a vehicle in your fleet? When it comes to managing a fleet of vehicles, the policy and legislation you classify vehicles under are of the utmost importance, but commercial auto policies can be a complex thing to navigate, especially for fleet managers who operate in several different states. Fleet vehicle, non-fleet vehicle, and commercial vehicle. It is a legal offense to operate vehicles without valid insurance in almost every state. As such, it is essential to know what the vehicles you own are technically defined as. Though non-fleet is a much clearer title for them, it is best to ask the question of fleet versus non-fleet by also looking at the term commercial vehicles. There is some overlap in these terms, so allow us to explain these three types further. A fleet vehicle must be owned by a business or an organization. This is the only main requirement of a fleet vehicle, that they are owned by a business, not an individual. They do not need to be a specific size, meaning they don't have to have necessarily been built for a specific purpose. A non-fleet vehicle is a vehicle that isn't a part of a fleet. It can still be owned by a business, where it would be a commercial vehicle, but is usually owned by an individual. A commercial vehicle is defined as any vehicle used for commercial purposes. This typically refers to either the transport of goods or the transport of people. In this respect, many commercial vehicles are also fleet vehicles, while some can be non-fleet. What differentiates a fleet vehicle from a commercial non-fleet vehicle is the number of commercial vehicles owned. Usually, if a business owns 5 or more commercial vehicles, they are deemed as having a fleet. These vehicles should all be classified as fleet vehicles, rather than non-fleet vehicles. What is the difference between a fleet and a non-fleet auto policy? When obtaining fleet insurance, a variety of factors are considered by your insurer. One advantage can be that all of your vehicles are covered under one policy. This also means you will only have a single renewal date for your insurance, rather than having to keep track of every single vehicle you own. Fleet insurance can be tailored to a specific fleet. This means you could have insurance for a fleet of taxis, a fleet of trucks, or a combination of different vehicles. Do you need help with fleet or non-fleet insurance? If you're not sure which of these options is best for your company, Advantage Insurance Solutions can help you with that. Call us today. A member of our team of commercial insurance experts can get you the best value insurance coverage.